Something feels different this morning. Not dramatic, not loud, just settled. This week feels lighter, not because everything changed, but because I moved. I did the thing, and that matters. Breakthrough doesn't always arrive with fireworks. Sometimes it comes as a quiet confirmation, a gentle nudge that says you're headed in the right direction. I'm noticing momentum, the kind that builds when you stop waiting for perfection and simply begin. There's a steadiness in me now. I'm not rushing towards what's next. I'm not announcing every move. I'm just aligning. I'm honoring the years that shaped me, the resilience that carried me, the wisdom that didn't come easy, and I'm letting that be enough. Some spaces don't need my full presence anymore. Some roles don't fit the way they used to. That's not loss, it's clarity. I don't need to force the next door open. I can feel that something is forming. And this time, I'm meeting it calmly. I'm not chasing it. I'm not proving. I'm simply stepping forward.